guys, welcome to our channel. Today's section we are going to see a problem that is zigzag conversion. These are the inputs and outputs. First we have to get a string and then we have to get number of rows. The output should be like this. We have to print the string in zigzag format. Zigzag conversion. First we have to print the first row and then second row, then third row. Likewise, we have to print. Number of rows is 3, so we have written the string in 3 rows. If we take this example phone number of rows is 2. We have to print the string like this. PHONENUMBER. The number of rows is 2, so we have to write the string in 2 rows. First we have to create a scanner object. Scanner is equal to new scanner system.in. First we have to get a string. String is equal to is dot next line. String str equal to is dot next line. Then we have to get the row size. R equal to is dot next int. After this, n is the size of that string. That is, I am calculating the length, str dot length. After this, I am declaring an array. Array arr equal to new string array of size n. I am using the for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. ARR of I is equal to, I am initializing to null. After this I am declaring two variables, that is c and count. Count equal to 1. I am using the for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. After this, ARR of c equal to ARR of c plus str dot caret of I. We are concatting that string to array elements if initially c is equal to 0, then count is equal to 0. I am checking one more if condition. If row c is equal to row minus 1, then we have to start subtracting it. That time I am making the count variable to minus 1. Then c equal to c plus count. This is for top to bottom and this is for bottom to top. This condition is for top to bottom. Top to bottom, and this is for bottom to top. After this we have to concat the string. For that I am declaring one more string. String st equal to empty for loop for int I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. St equal to st plus array of I. After this we can print that string. System dot out dot print st. Yes, we have completed the program. Now I'm going to check it. Zigzag conversion. Zigzag conversion. I'm giving size 3. Yes, we have got the output correctly. ZAN. Yes, it is correct only. We'll check for another input, that is phone number. Phone number. I'm giving rows 2. Yes, that is also correct. Try to solve this problem, guys. You'll get a clear idea. And use pen and paper while doing this, top to bottom and bottom to top. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, post me in the comment. Thank you.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.